right, good day to you, my viewers. Still on the revision of WAEC 2023 mathematics paper. Okay, today I'm going to take question number 31 to 35. Now let's take question number 31. Find the value of alpha in the equation cos open bracket alpha plus 14 close brackets degree equal to sine 4 alpha plus 6. Now, to solve this question, in a right angle triangle, you have a right angle triangle. One angle, that is the right angle, is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? And the remaining two angles are called complementary angles. This angle and this angle are called complementary angle. In the sense that if this angle is angle A degree and this angle is angle B degree, addition of angle A degree plus B degree will give you 90 degree. So hence why they are called complementary angle. And one more thing about these two angles is that sine of angle A degree is always equal to cos of angle B degree. Now if you look at this very well, you see that this is the principle that the examiner wants to test in this question. Okay? And with that, you can conveniently say that if cos alpha plus 14 degree equal to sine 4 alpha plus 6 degree, then alpha plus 14 degree plus 4 alpha plus 6 degree will be equal to 90. Okay, will be equal to 90. And from here you can open the bracket so that you have alpha, leaving degree now, later you put it alpha plus 14 plus 4 alpha plus 6 equal to 90 degree. Okay, and if you add all the like things, so you have 5 alpha plus 20 plus 14 plus 6, that will give you 20, okay, equal to 90 degree. And if you collect the like things, so you have 5 alpha equal to 90 minus 20 of 4, because if 20 is taken from here to the other side, it will change from positive 20 to negative 20. So you have 90 minus 20, that will give you 70 degree. And here what you do is to divide both sides by 5 so that you have your alpha to be equal to 70 divided by 5. And this is equal to 5 in 7, that's 1. Remember what? Remember 2. 5 in 20, that is 4. Therefore, alpha is equal to 14 degree. The correct option is option A. Option A is the correct option. Now let's take question number 32. Yeah. In question number 32, we are told that the bag contains 4 white marbles and 3 blue marbles. Another bag contains 5 red and 6 blue marbles. If a marble is picked at random from each bag, find the probability that they are of same color. So we have 2 bags here. Let's draw it. So the first bag contains 4 white marbles. Let's represent white by W. Then 3 blue. Blue marble is represented by B. Okay. Another bag, that's the second bag, contains 5 red. So 5 red, which is represented by R, and 6 blue. So 6 B. Blue is represented by B. Now we are asked, if a marble is picked at random from each bag, find the probability that they are of same color. Now the total numbers of marble, that is total numbers of marble in this is equals to 4 plus 3, that will give you 7. total numbers of marbles in this we give you 11. 6 plus 5, that's 11. You have 11 marbles in this, irrespective of their color. You have 7 marbles in this, irrespective of their color. Okay? If one is picked from here and one is picked from here randomly, what's the probability of the two marbles being same color? Let's take numbers of whites. Numbers of whites here is equal to what? 4. Numbers of numbers of blue is equal to 3. Okay? Numbers of red here is equal to what? 5. Numbers of blue here is equal to 6. Now, the possibility of picking same color, that will have been picking white here and picking white here. Okay? Or probability of picking blue here and probability of picking blue here. Or the probability of picking red here, probability of red here, and the red in the second bar. So that is 4/7, the probability of picking white here, multiplied by the probability of picking white here, because white is not here. That means the numbers of white here is 0 over the total numbers of marble we have here, so over 11, plus the probability of picking blue here is what? 3/7. Okay? Multiplied by the probability of picking blue here is 6/11, plus what's the probability of picking red here? 0/7. 0/7. Multiplied by probability of picking a red here is 5/11. Okay? And this divided by 0 divided by 11, that's 0. Multiplied by this, that will be 0. Plus 6 times 3, that give you 18. And 7 times 11, that's 77. Okay? Plus this will give you 0. 0 multiplied by this, that's 0. Hence, you have your answer to be equal to 18/77. Option B is the correct option. Okay? Now, let's take a look at question number 33. Yeah, we are told that the angle of a sector of a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter is 115 degrees. Find the areas of the sector. Now, area of a sector is given to be equal to angle sustained by the sector all over 360, which is angle sustained by the whole circumference, okay, at the center. Then multiply by pi r squared. Okay. Now let's look at those things we have in the question. We have the radius given to us as 3.4. R is given to us as 3.4 centimeter. Okay. And the theta, which is the angle sustained by the sector, is given as 115. So let's insert all this and have the value for the area. So area is equals to 15 all over 360 multiplied by pi is 22 all over 7. Then multiply by 3.4 squared. Okay? This gives us 11.60587302. Because if you approximate this will give you 11.6 centimeter square. Option B is the correct option. Yeah, let's take question number 34. The diagonals of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the length of the side. Now, A rhomboid is a special square, right? Let me put down the illustration. Okay. And the whole size, all the sides are equal. Okay. Then you have the longer diagonal, 16 centimeter. Then followed by the shorter one, which is given to us as 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, one thing you must notice is that these two diagonals intersect each other at the middle. Okay. In a way that if the whole thing is 16, the whole diagonal here is 16 centimeter. So from here to here is half of 16 centimeters. So you have 8 centimeter here. And from here to here too, from here to here is also half of 12 centimeter. That's 6 centimeter. So if here is 6 centimeter, here is 6 centimeter, and here is 8 centimeter, then we ask ourselves a question: what is this side? And don't forget, if this side is x, this side too is x, this side too is x, because all sides are equal in rhomboid. So to find this, you got to use the Pythagoras theorem, which says that because looking at this is giving you a right angle, okay, which make this O shape a right angle triangle. And for that reason, this is the what? The hypotenuse side of this right angle triangle. Then we want to determine the hypotenuse size using Pythagoras theorem, which says that the hypotenuse size, the square of the hypotenuse size, which is s squared, is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides, that is 6 squared plus 8 squared. Okay? And from here we know that 6 squared is 36 and 8 squared is what? 64. So your x is equal to square root, because if you add this will give you 100. Okay, 100. And if you take the square root of both sides, so square will cancel square root, and you are left with x equal to square root of 100. And from here, you know that the square root of 100 is simply 10. So let's look at 10 centimeter. The option that has 10 centimeter. Option B is the correct option to this very question. That is question number 34. That's answer to question number 34. Moving to question number 35. Now let's take question number 35. The angle of elevation of the top of a vertical building from a point Z on the ground is 50 degrees. If the height of the building is 124 meters, find the distance from Z to the foot of the building. Let's assume that this is the foot of the building, and we are told that the building is 124 meters tall, right? That is, the height of the building is what? 124 meters. So you have the building here, which is 124 meters. That is, the height is 124 meters. Okay? Let the point Z here. Let the point Z be here. Okay? So that the angle of elevation measured from this point to the top of the building can be traced out, first and foremost, by tracing the line of elevation. Okay? Then let's look at the distance between the points and the foot of the building. Let's call it x. So we have the angle of elevation of the top of the building from this point as 50 degrees. Now the next thing is to find the what? The distance between point Z and the foot of the building. So by taking the tan of this angle of elevation, that's tan 50, which is equal to, that's the opposite over adjacent, which is our opposite here is what? 124 all over x. So if you cross multiply, you have your x to be equal to 124 all over tan 50. So you go to press calculator. So that gives us x to be equal to 104.045 you have 104.05 by approximating this, right? Which is option A. Option A is the correct option. Thank you so much. Be on the watch out for the next video where we continue from question number 36. Okay? Thank you.